I've been asked to review this design and come up with some suggestions. So first looking at this, small reach-in closet where the customer has a daughter that is handicapped and in a wheelchair, and they're looking to add a wardrobe lift so to make it easier for her to be able to access all that space. Initially, I think the design looks great. The one thing I would want to do is to add a top shelf above here, and sometimes top shelf is tricky to add in a space like that, that if we go in and just try to add top shelf in there, it won't drop down on top of that component. It wants to be 2-3 inches above that bottom shelf. So the trick with this is to go in, and before I draw this lower section, I want to put the top shelf in. So I'm going to go in and delete this component. Actually, first I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to go to edit, copy. Now I'm going to delete it. And then I'm going to go back in and paste it. And I'm going to paste it in first at that 18-inch because I'm going to want to keep this section, and then I'm going to paste it up against the side here and then up against the other side. Quick trigger finger there. Oops. So once I have everything lined up where I want it, I can go back to the top shelf. I can put my top shelf in. Now these two outside uprights are just placeholders. Once the top shelf is in there, I can delete them, and now I can go back and build this the way I want it to look for the customer. Put my hang rod back and put the drawers in there, and it was a 10 3/8. And then lastly, put in my middle. Fixed shelf there, and now when I go to install this, I'm going to have a clean space up here, and I won't see any of the lines from the shelves down below. It'll be a nice clean area. If I wanted to, I could order this as a custom slab, order it that 42 inches by 14 inches deep, edge band and one long edge, or if I had or just order a custom 42-inch adjustable shelf, and I could lay it down on top of there, it would all gain me the same look. But I think from a standpoint of just aesthetics, this is going to look better than seeing the lines like you do here, and that's just very much in the vision of the customer, and this will just make the customer happier. If you have any questions, reach out to me. Thanks.